guys, so I got a few requests to show you guys how I put on my lashes. So I went ahead and put on the lashes that I created in my last little DIY tutorial. These are my foam ink lashes that I created. If you want to see how I apply them, please keep on watching. But before we start the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Select all notifications so you don't miss any uploads. Alright you guys, so these are the mink lashes that I created. I'll have a link down below to show you guys how I created them. Alright you guys, you're going to want to choose a lash glue. Find one that you like, that works for you. And you're just going to apply a thin band or layer of glue on the lash band. And just kind of shake it around with your scissor tweezers for about 20 seconds until the glue becomes tacky. Try to get the lash as close as possible to your natural eyelash line. So pretty much the area where your eyelash hairs start to grow out, okay? You want to push it in on the outer part and the inner part using the scissor tweezers. I'll put a link down below to them if you guys are interested in them, okay? Once you have your lash in place, you want to push it inward. Make sure you can feel it like attach itself. Then you want to go in with a bit of mascara and push up your natural lash into the false lashes just to help them blend in. You definitely don't want to use hair glue to apply your lashes. You're going to end up losing all your natural eyelashes. Okay, you can always add a bit of gel eyeliner to the lash band or some black eyeshadow to conceal it, and that's pretty much it. I hope the tutorial helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, like this video, comment if you like, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial very soon. Bye guys.